pfSense Plus software, the world's leading firewall, router, and VPN solution, provides secure network edge and cloud networking solutions for millions of deployments worldwide. Netgate is announcing the release of pfSense Plus software, version 26.03. This is a regularly scheduled release that includes over 40 updates, bug fixes, and enhancements. All pfSense Plus customers are encouraged to upgrade to this new version. Key features of this release include WebGUI Optimizations, System Patches Package, Post-Quantum Key Exchange Algorithms for SSH, TLS Certificate Strength Enhancement, and TLS Certificate Auto Renewals. Let's go over each of these in some detail. The WebGUI code has been optimized to provide better performance. Users will notice a significant improvement in GUI performance and responsiveness. The System Patches package is now installed by default. This package manages patches that change the behavior of pfSense Plus software and makes it simple to obtain official recommended security patches and bug fixes from Netgate between releases. The best practice is to periodically check for and apply updates to that package, and apply recommended system patches to address issues fixed between releases. This release includes several changes to algorithms for the SSH daemon for key exchange, encryption, and message authentication. These changes increase security by incorporating post-quantum key exchange algorithms and removing older, weaker algorithms. Weak TLS Server Certificates that are less than 2048 bits have been deprecated. Such weak certificates have been deprecated for some time, and the GUI has warned against using weak settings. However, if the certificates were generated on other systems and imported, or generated years ago with long lifetimes, users may not realize such certificates are now considered insecure. This version checks the GUI certificate during the upgrade process and will regenerate a new GUI certificate if the current certificate is invalid, expired, or weak. And finally, this version of pfSense Plus software can automatically renew TLS Server Certificates, which are self-signed or signed by an internal CA stored in the pfSense software configuration. Automatic renewal is a per-certificate option, and pfSense Plus software automatically enables this option for the GUI certificate when possible. When automatically renewing a certificate, pfSense Plus software uses the latest strict security options to ensure the certificate meets current standards. As always, visit our release notes for a full list of features and improvements, and consult our upgrade guide to get started with the best practices for upgrading. Our efforts are made possible by the support of our customers and the community, and for that we express our sincere thanks. This involvement makes pfSense Plus a stronger solution for everyone.